or Rentap, was a well-known Iban king, born into the richness of Iban culture, customs and traditions. He was the son of Ningkan and Imbong. His siblings are Ringgit, Jaruk, Lepo and Serini. Fear never lived in Libao's heart. His bravery was unmatched. His leadership sent tremors across the land of Sarawak, especially with the killing of British generals during their invasion. Libao became a name carved into legend, forged in the fiery defense of his homeland. But how does this story end? Did Rentap cower before the warnings of Rajabru? Was he slain by the British hands? Or was he betrayed by his own people? Sarawak Cultural Village proudly presents the musical drama Rentap, the Battle of Bukit Sado.
Libao namaku! Rentap gelaranku! Libao, pahlawan tiada gentar! Rentap namaku pasti hidup selamanya! Biar aku hancur! Tanah airku teguh berdiri! Pencerobahku halau, penjajahku hapus, tanahku bertahan, adatku junjung. Oke, hidup bagi kelaban! Oke, hidup bagi kelaban! Oke, hidup bagi kelaban!
The Longhouse cheers for Libao. They are so proud of their leader, their protector. He's a brave warrior, strong enough to fight any foe. Li Bao promises to keep the land safe until his dying breath. Agi hidup, agi ngelaban. Li Bao welcomes orang kaya pemanca Dana Bayang, who was there to invite them to Ngayao, or to battle the enemy. He said anyone who brings back an enemy's head would be called Tuai Kayao. He asked them to be ready and that they would gather, sleep for one night, then strike the sleeping enemy before dawn.
Terima kasih pemanca Dana Bayang. Selamat datang ke menua kami. Nama kebuah non datai gitu. Tuai Kayau. Kami temegah hati kenuan. Milih kami nurun ngayau. Darah bujang berani bisi dalam tubuh kita. Arameh kita berserakup sagulai. Berami-rami kita magang. Kita anak muda untuk diri dalam ngayau tu. Itu aku bersumpah. Selagi nyawa aku agak hidup, aku berjanji tanah menua kita itu datang serang dari serang musuh. Awak membaca. Jimat-jimat tahu. Oh.
Even when the longhouse was buzzing with war preparations, Li Bao found a quiet moment to meet Sawai, his beloved. Though sorrow weighed heavy on his heart, he explained that he had to go to fight for their homeland and honor, to earn the revered title of Tuai Kayau. Beneath the stars, they planned their wedding, a sacred ceremony called Belah Pinang, to be held a month after Li Bao's return. Sawai gave him her full support. She understood that war demanded sacrifice, and she promised to wait, no matter how long it takes. Their love, strong and true, blessed by both their families, was like a rainbow after the storm, a beauty that could only be born through hardship, like sunlight after the rain.
nuan di hatiku berlama-lamanya. Ku rindu, ku sayang, ke nuan ambai.
Sampai ku ingat kesemayat wah.
Dah tua, jarang bertemu muan.
Nuan di hatiku berlama-lamanya.
Nuan ambai.
Nuan selalu.
Dah tua, jarang bertemu muan.
Nuan di hatiku berlama-lamanya.
Sulu. Udah habis pengawang ayau. Tua jadi. Ambai dan Ji.
Ambai, sulu, ka penyayaw nga pengrindu ari ambay timuruan. Naday nga ambay, penghidup sulu, rasay puang.
Sunte, one of the beauty of the longhouse, watches Li Bao and Sawai from afar. Jealousy stirs within her. She is sad that Li Bao has chosen Sawai, even though she loves him just as deeply. Wondering what Sawai has that she doesn't, because in her eyes, she is no less, just as kind, just as worthy. Sunte is heartbroken.
Sedih menanggung rindu, menanggung hati, cinta tak terbalas. Kasih jika bertemu, jika berkasih, bahagia bersama. Hati terguris luka, terguris rindu padamu kasih. Hati terguris luka, terguris rindu, cinta bertepuk sebelah tangan.
Suddenly, a man appears.
Namaku Roslan, duduk kampung sebelah. Aku tahu kau mengintip si Libau. Cintamu ditolak sampai merapat cinta. Dirimu ingin bersatu denganku. Ku terima cintamu, cintamu suluh. Aram tua sama nagam pengrindu. Ku terima cintamu, cintamu suluh. Aram tua sama nagam pengrindu.
It's Roslan, the man from the nearby village. He speaks of a secret plan, a way to tear Libau and Sawai apart. Sunte hesitated, torn between right and wrong, but her heart is already heavy with bitterness and pain. And in that storm of emotion, Sunte finally agrees to Roslan's plan. Libau, with fearless courage, commands his Kayao squad. They attack boldly, taking many enemy heads as their quick strike hits deep while the villagers were sleeping soundly.
Ngayau, 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 ngayau ke hulu, ke hilir, ke darat, ke laut. Ngayau, ngayau ke hulu, ke hilir, ke darat, ke laut. Ngayau, ngayau di sungai, di hutan, di laut. Ngayau, jangan henti-henti, biar sampai mati. Jumpa musuh pancung tanpa rasa simpati. Kami tak peduli, pantang mengundur diri. Ngayau!
News of their victory quickly reaches the Longhouse. Libau's brothers and friends rushes back telling orang kaya pemanca Dana Bayang and the Tuai Rumah about their success. With the enemy heads bravely taken, Li Bao immediately starts the Nakok Pala ritual. Everyone in the longhouse were excited and prepares to welcome Li Bao. They know orang kaya pemancar Dana Bayang will honor him as Tuai Kayau, the brave leader who faces any enemies. The grand welcome is done in full tradition.
Nuan digelar Tuai Kayau. Li Bao Pangodara rentap tanah kulit menua. Simpan perkara itu, bakal menjaga ya selama-lamanya, bakal mengintu semua rakyat Nasa.
Aku tak rentap bersemaya jika berambis hati jadi ketua dalam gaya itu. Aku bergagak ngecan ke benua tanah Bukit Sadok, Sungai Rimbas, Saribas.
Nujah menua iri negeri kebangsa. Nadai kita takut, nadai utai kenangi, kami berani mati. Aram kita nujah menua diri negeri kebangsa. Nadai utai ditakut, nadai utai kenangi, kami berani mati. Tujuh hati nyalakan musuh, hendak undur setepak jari, hendak undur kaki sesingkang, sigi hendak undur ke belakang. Tujuh hati nyalakan musuh, hendak undur setepak jari, hendak undur kaki sesingkang, sigi hendak undur ke belakang. Aram ngayau, kita ngayau mula menua. Aram ngayau, musuh kami kayau. Ngau berani hati, berani mati, hendak mudah lari.
British santai! British santai! British santai! British santai!
In 1841, Rentap strongly opposed when James Brooke became the Raja of Sarawak and introduced his new mandate. Rentap was ready when Raja Brooke launched an attack in August 1844. He had already ordered his people to gather weapons and stones, build forts, and set traps. Rentap's forces waited in ambush along the riverbanks, fully prepared to strike.
Rentap dijatuhkan, pasti tak ada harapan. Namun datang pahlawan, meninggi namanya. Muncul seorang wira berani dia lawan. Tidak tahu siapa pemilik tanah ini. Tak sedarkah dirinya, kekuatan aku punya. Bila terungkap semua yang mencuba melawan. British, my empire. We came, we fought, we conquered the world with our super cannon. British, my empire. We came, we fought, we conquered the world with our super cannon.
One day, Roslan brought Orang Kaya Nanang to meet Raja Brooke. Raja Brooke is eager to offer Orang Kaya Nanang a huge reward only if he reveals Rentap's weaknesses. Raja Brooke believes he can win big without losing anything. He promises gold, land, and even protection from the British Empire as rewards. But Orang Kaya Nanang refused and was furious with Roslan, disgusted that he would sell their honor for his own gain. Roslan is truly a traitor. Meanwhile, in the longhouse, all the residents looked joyful, ready to celebrate the happy day of Rentap and Sawai. Everywhere, everyone was busy with some were rolling mats, cleaning every corner of the longhouse and making wedding decorations. Rentap was also seen arriving on a raft towards the longhouse. Rentap and Sawai's relationship was approved by everyone, even when there were rumors that Rentap will marry Sunte. The traditional custom was led by the head of the house, with the ceremony that was attended by the Malays and the Chinese communities. 1854, Raja Brooke led a combined Malay and Dayak force to attack the fortress of Rentau. However, their efforts were in vain because the fortress was too strong, resisting every attack. After 8 days of battle, Brooke's army was forced to retreat and Rentau remained victorious. Throughout this attack, Rentau was equipped with a special cannon known as Timpang Berang or Bujang Patapahu. This cannon was made by orang kaya pemanca Dana Bayang, a symbol of the courage of Iban heroes. The cannon was purchased from Empawa Pontianak in West Kalimantan. It weighs 250 kilograms and was engraved with 1515. It became an important weapon. This cannon was then moved on 9th of October 1990 from Kubu Liri to the District and Land Office of Bukit Bangunan Betong, Sarawak.
Kami nurun ngayau ngetan ke menua. Hey, kami nyalahkan musuh, kami hendak takut begadai sebut. Hey, aki hidup, aki gelaban, aki hidup, aki gelaban. Anang buai ngangau ari kaki rantau. Anang buai manjung ari kaki buang. Anang buai nyapa ari lubang bayar. Kami ngayau dekat pulau benua. Buai kendas mimpi jai. Awak kami ulai gerai. Gayu kubiku, geraiku sempadan. Nada apa ku perkara. Kami kat nyerang, kami nurun ngayau ngetan ke menua. Hey, kami nyalahkan musuh, kami hendak takut begadai sebut. Hey, aki hidup, aki gelaban, aki hidup, aki gelaban. Anang buai ngangau ari kaki rantau. Anang buai manjung ari kaki buang. Anang buai nyapa ari lubang bayar. Kami ngayau dekat pulau benua. Aki hidup, aki gelaban, aki hidup, aki gelaban.
Rentap still holds Bukit Sadok thanks to his bravery against Rajabru. Rentap is very proud of these victories, which makes me feel even stronger. But unfortunately for his wife Sawai, she worries he might become too proud. But for Rentap, every day means fighting for their homeland. Meanwhile, Sunte tries to get close to Rentap and charm him. She feels she's won him over when he dances with her. But Rentap just sees it as a way to thank her for the fun.
Hidup kita para kawan! Hidup! Amat mana linggu kajak tuan. Rindu kemuda.
Sampai hati Nuan Sunte.
Sawai! Sawai! Kenapa dia sakit, Nuan?
Nuan kaya nanang. Okey. Nuan kaya nanang.
Rentap, pedak ni.
Aku kepulai.
Pedak Nuan. Cepat lagi. Cepat. Cepat. Dadam! Dadam! Dah berhenti Nuan! Dah berhenti Nuan!
Amai!
Amai!
Rentap! Sabar, Rentap! Tinggal dulu!
Orang kaya nanang ada siapa jahit mu aku.
Sabar, Rentap. Sabar. Sabar. Dengar dulu.
Siap! 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 Siap!
Mas!
Siap!
Umbas,
Sabar, Rentap.
ketika Nuan tidak belayak. Nuan ana masuk campur Sunte.
Dengar dulu.
Layak! Layak! Aki!
Ubah sudah!
Diam! 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 Diam!
Umbas,
Umbas Nanang! Sebenarnya orang tu ratai kepala Nuan. Tahu pula Nuan. Lek! Lek!
pedah. Pedah Nuan, ketika Nuan kita carut. Mendengar Nuan kan guliah ke laki aku ni.
Au, Be! Tak ingat.
Ini kanji Nuan.
Jaga aku mana-mana. Kiat ke aku!
Udah nyo. Sunte.
Raja Brooke's plan wasn't just about winning the hearts of the Dayaks with promises. Powerful weapons were also part of his strategy. Rumors began to spread among the Dayaks. Raja Brooke's army had acquired modern weapons that could turn the tide of any battle. The most feared of all was the Bujang Satu, a set of 12 massive cannons capable of destroying entire forts with a single shot.
Kubu Sado, kubu mereka, laluan tikus, titik kelemahan, tembakan kanon, senjata utama pastinya runtuh, berkecai cebisan, kekuatan mereka, kuat silaturahim harus berpecah, kaum sesama daya, pengaruh kekebalan, diguna pakai menjadi punca titik kemenangan.
Jika itu maklumat diberi, pastinya kami lebih bersedia. Ayo penggituku, sedia senjata, keesokan harinya kita berperang. Perang, 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 langkah bersedia, medan akan diulang. Bentak akan dihapuskan, inilah titik tembayan kemenangan. Perang, 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 langkah bersedia, medan akan diulang. Bentak akan dihapuskan, inilah titik tembayan kemenangan. Inilah titik tembayan kemenangan.
Berhenti sampai. Nampak ke bawah, Noni gagak aku. Nampak ke bawah, Noni lari. Sampai.
Sampai kemaya aku akan berketuk. Nuan perang. Nuan ngayau. Aku. Tiap-tiap hari aku ke diri.
Aku tuai kayau. Nanti ukai aku mulu siapa lagi?
Nanti begini. Pilih ya. Aku. Kau kesidak ya.
Beri aku Siti lagi. Percaya mereka aku suruh. Percaya mereka aku. Percaya mereka. Tu, aku kabarin Wan. Jadi tanda penyayau aku ke Wan suruh.
Berjanji. Mulai engkau selamat.
After the fight between Rentap and Orang Kaya Nanang, Roslan secretly meets with Orang Kaya Nanang. Roslan is really excited about it. He believes Orang Kaya Nanang agrees to fully join the British, forming a new team. Though at first, Roslan hesitated, seeing only the two of them are gonna meet. But the thought of getting rich with rewards blinded him.
Aku kaya. Banyak harta. Ya, aku kaya. Ini nikmat dunia, pilihan hidup sendiri. Miskin jadi hina,
Suddenly, Roslan freezes when he saw Jarup, Lepo, and Ringgit. He realizes the meeting was a trap all along, set by Orang Kaya Nanang. A fierce battle broke out. Orang Kaya Nanang stabs Roslan to death. Rentau gathers his followers for the third battle at Bukit Sado. He stands on a high point, delivering powerful words of encouragement to his people before they march to war.
Aku minta kita semua badu lagi ngebelakangkan bangsa Dempo. Aramai kita berserakup. Getan ke menua kita, bangsa kita. Oh, petara, hakik ini kami. Kami bersampi. Beri kami pengering, kena ngelaban tidak musuh. Agi hidup bagi laban! Agi hidup bagi laban! Agi hidup bagi laban! Kaya! Nama. Jarup! 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 Ambil ya, ambil ya. Jarup! 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 Kasih meh tudah nuan wai badi jaru tinyau lesi berbadi tudah nuan nyau ledang bidang sinu amai hati kami dedak seput nuan nyau padam tegal ngetan ke menua sagu Tuhan bergantai nyawa tegal ngetan ke menua sagu Tuhan bergantai nyawa Jarup! Tok Meh, penghidup aku berkayau. Megais seribu orang bala rakyat. Agik Meh Allah. Ketegal kita itu anda berserakup. Tak mungkin saduk. Pegai British. Bala nempiak bumi kinalang. Berserakup kita. Nyaga ke tanah tu. Awak kita. Lantang senang. Nguan menua. Aki hidup pagi kelapan. Aki hidup pagi kelapan. Aki hidup pagi kelapan.
Rentap. His name echoes as loud as his fighting spirit. His stronghold, Bukit Sadok, is carved deep into history. A renowned Iban warrior, his fame reaches far and wide. Never once flinched from the enemy's fury, defending his homeland until his last breath. His fighting spirit was higher even after the death of Jarub, his brother, who was killed in the battle. Bukit Sadok stands as a testament to Rentap's unmatched strength, despite countless British attempts to destroy it. Rentap vowed, "This land, Bukit Sadok, shall not be colonized, shall never be conquered by the British Empire."
Panggau darah Rentap tanahku di menua Bala Rentap enggai di perintah raja Endang enggai dikenapai keribai Sigih dikayau serta sigih diserang Ngetam ke bangsa serta ngetam ke menua Begempun sama betulung Beraum saun penemu Berselakup sidak teguh Hendak berpecah, hendak runtuh Rentap ngalah ke musuh Berperang di Bukit Sadok Sanggup mati losi berbadi Bergadai seput, bergadai nyawa Rentap Iban mulia Rentap Iban hero Nuan Libau, dua balik nama Rentap Tanpa Rita, serta terbilang nama Dan Sumbarya, Libau, Panggau darah Rentap, tanahku di menua Begempun sama betulung Beraum saun penemu Berselakup sidak teguh Hendak berpecah, hendak runtuh Rentap ngalah ke musuh
ladies and gentlemen, presenting the cast and performers of Rentap Battle of Bukit Sadu. Introducing first, Anding Indrawani as Rentap, Melissa Francis as Sawai, Nick Jensen as Raja Brook, Rezwan Razali as Roslan, Augustine Lawrence as Orang Kaya Nana, Nur Ayesha Aira as Sunte, Benjamin Lawrence as Orang Kaya Pemanja Tanah Bayang. The dancers and musicians of Sarawak Cultural Village, the apprentice of SLDN or Sistem Latihan Dual Nasional, Angkatan Silat Nukilan Artistik, Angkatan Kuntau Sikar Siokandis, anak-anak Permata Sekolah Seni Malaysia Sarawak, anak-anak kaki tangan Kampung Budaya Sarawak.